All right, guys, this is what the lights look like. These are the tube lights. So as you can see, they're nice and beautiful in color. Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing LED rope lights. So this is a multiple color rope light. We're gonna show you what's in the box here and also show you what they look like. That way you know. So right away we see they supply you with mounting brackets. This is a 2-pack. So it is solar operated and it runs on solar. And you got your on off and you got your mode right here. So you guys probably can't see it, but we will show you guys when it gets dark what it looks like. Let's go ahead and turn it off. But there's multiple modes, so let's show you guys. Yeah, you know, it's a tube light if you're wondering. So the tube is transparent with the lights, LEDs inside, just little lights inside. You get plenty of length and cable. So let's show you what they look like at night. All right, guys, this is what the lights look like. These are the tube lights. So as you can see, they're nice and beautiful in color. We can go ahead and turn them on and off with the switch, and then different style, different colors. So different modes here. Oh, I like that one. It's kind of like steps up. I assume it would then step down. Oh no, wait. Does it go by sound? It could go. So you definitely have different modes, different colors, different brightnesses, different effects. So there they just stay on. Ooh, I like that one. That's pretty cool too. So I can't wait for Christmas so we can set these up. Yeah, overall, very nice. I like them.